Did you know if you got a snake plant, you can cut off a leaf, then make a V-shaped cut on the bottom, place it in a glass of water? What's gonna happen is the leaf will grow roots, wrap the pot with soil, plant the leaf, and grow a new snake plant. You can clone a whole family with just one clone. Did you know if you grab a cucumber and slice it in half, then scrape out the seeds into a glass of water, mix it around, if the seeds sink to the bottom, they're good seeds. Grab the good seeds and place them on a wet paper towel. Grab some cinnamon and sprinkle some on top. Cinnamon prevents mold and helps seeds sprout fast. Fold the paper towel over, put it in a Ziploc bag, zip it locked, and in just 3 days, check this out. Boom! Baby cucumber seedlings. Plant each one in soil and grow some cucumbers. Each seed will produce long, beautiful vines and produce 15 cucumbers. Grow them outside in your garden or inside your house. All you need is a pot and a stick.